Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll show you how to replace a pressure switch in a Hotpoint washing machine. If your washing machine is overfilling, then do please check the pressure chamber and the pressure hose before replacing the pressure switch. Now, safety first, always disconnect an appliance before carrying out any work. The pressure switch identifies how much water is in the machine, which then tells the PCB when it is empty or at the correct level before starting a wash cycle. To access it, the first thing I need to do is to remove the top of the appliance by undoing the two screws that hold it in place. And here we have our pressure switch. If I show you on the new pressure switch how it's attached to the machine, we have this little clasp at the back. Now, because this one is relatively old, it should come out quite easily, but if you have trouble, use a flat-headed screwdriver just to help ease it off. Now all we have to do is disconnect our electrical connections and also our hose. Always a good idea to check the hose for any holes or damage. Just gently pull that off the old pressure switch. Grab our new one. Attach the hose at the bottom, reconnect the electrical connections, which are keyed, so they'll only go in one way, and then we can fit it to the cabinet of the machine, like so. With our new pressure switch in place, I can now refit the top. So there we have it, one new pressure switch fitted to this Hotpoint washing machine. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.